Welcome to Science by PK, and here's another what-if question. What if the Earth had two moons? Imagine walking outside at night and seeing not one, but two moons in the sky. One might be full while the other is just a crescent. They'd rise and set at different times. You'd see double moonlight casting double shadow. But it wouldn't just look cool, it would completely change life on Earth. Let's start with the tides. Our moon controls the ocean's tides by pulling on Earth's water. If we had a second moon, tides would be way more complicated. Sometimes the pole of both moons would line up and create massively high tides. On the other times, they'd cancel each other out, usually creating low tides. Coastal cities would have to deal with constant flooding and unpredictable water levels, and life in ocean would have to adapt fast or disappear. Now think about the sky. The two moons wouldn't always be in the same place. One could rise while the other sets. You might even see them crossing paths sometimes. Depending on their sizes and orbits, they might even block each other out like mini eclipses. Stargazing would be harder because the night sky would be brighter and more often. And forget about dark. Quiet nights, more moonlight means lighter nights and changes to sleep patterns. Animal behaviors can even crime rates. Earth's rotation and tilt could also shift over time. Gravity's tug of two moons might throw off our planet's balance. That could lead to more extreme seasons, colder winters, hotter summers, or even strange weather patterns. Some parts of the world might get more rain, others could dry out completely. Climate models would be totally rewritten, but it's not all chaos. With two moons, there could be more scientific discoveries. Astronomers could learn how different gravity poles work. We might build research stations on both moons. They could serve as stepping stones for deep space travel, and artists, poets, and photographers would definitely love the view. Of course, it also depends on the size and location of the second moon. If it's small and far away, it might just be a pretty dot in the sky. But if it's big and close, it creates serious problems like moonquakes, stronger tidal forces, and even shifts in Earth's orbit. A giant second moon could increase the risks of collisions. Over millions of years, the moons could crash into each other and fall towards Earth, and that would not end well. It's still fun to imagine if two moons in our calendars, our holidays and myths, and even our culture. Whole stories and traditions might grow around them. Some people might prefer one moon over the other. We name them, study them, photograph them, and maybe even fight to control them. So yeah, if Earth had two moons, it wouldn't just change the night sky. It would change everything from science to nature to everyday life. We'd be living on a very different planet. And thanks for watching Science by PK. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.